Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone 13 is updated and has free space. This avoids permission and compatibility errors. Next, attach an Apple Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter and connect a powered SSD or a powered USB hub so the drive draws enough current. Once done, unlock your iPhone and tap Trust when prompted. This allows file access. Make sure the SSD is formatted in XFAT or FAT32 for iOS compatibility, so the Files app can read and write without errors. Once the adapter and SSD are connected and trusted, open Files and look under Locations to find the external drive. This is how iOS exposes mounted volumes. If the drive is missing, unplug, power cycle the SSD and reconnect. Power delivery often fixes detection. You can preview, copy, or move items by long pressing and choosing Move. Do this to preserve folder structure. Remember that large transfers rely on adapter bandwidth and SSD speed, so expect longer times for many small files versus one large file. To finish, close the Files app and gently unplug the adapter to avoid data corruption. iOS doesn't show an eject button for external drives. If you hit permission or I/O errors, reboot your iPhone, reconnect, and tap Trust again. This often clears transient USB negotiation faults. If files are still inaccessible, connect the SSD to a PC or Mac and reformat to XFAT after backing up. This resolves most read/write incompatibilities while preserving large file support and cross-platform access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.